The president said he would make a decision on a quarantine for the New York area very shortly, as the U.S. death toll topped 2,000 and states imposed dramatic new measures. President Donald Trump on Saturday weighed drastic new measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus as the U.S. death toll soared past 2,000 and states across the country ramped up harsh public health restrictions while invoking new emergency authorities. Mark Meadows, Trump's acting chief of staff, told reporters traveling with the president to Norfolk for the departure of the hospital ship USNS Comfort that the White House was reviewing what authorities it has to enact a quarantine on states. "We're evaluating all the options right now," the acting chief of staff said. Speaking in Norfolk, Trump said he would make a decision, very shortly, on declaring a 14-day quarantine for New York, as well as New Jersey and parts of Connecticut. Leaders in New York appeared caught off guard by the announcement, with Gov. Andrew Cuomo saying at a morning press conference he had spoken with the president and he did not mention any such decision. Cuomo, who earlier tweeted that New York had seen 728 deaths from the virus, questioned the legality of Trump's proposal. The governor later in the day delayed the state's presidential primary from April to June and issued an executive order ensuring that women would not be forced to give birth alone due to fears of spreading the virus in hospitals. In Rhode Island and Kansas, governors issued stay-at-home orders as the number of cases in the U.S. exceeded 120,000, according to a tracker of cases maintained by Johns Hopkins University. Kansas Gov. Laura Kelly said the mandatory stay-at-home order will remain in effect through April 19. 3 members of the state's delegation to Congress questioned whether it was necessary, saying in a statement it will no doubt impact our families and our businesses, Topeka-based WIBW-TV reported. Rhode Island State Police were pulling over vehicles with New York license plates as residents of the Empire State sought refuge from the escalating public health crisis there. Gov. Gina Raimondo ordered the move and directed the National Guard to help conduct house-to-house searches for those who may have traveled from New York within 14 days. Meanwhile, Trump approved or declared disaster declarations for Kentucky, Massachusetts and Michigan. Michigan Gov. Gretchen Whitmer, a Democrat with whom Trump has feuded regarding her criticism of the federal response to the virus, said Saturday the disaster declaration was a good start but that the state had not received her full request for support, according to the Detroit Free Press. Separately, Michigan received more than 112,000 N95 protective masks from the Strategic National Stockpile with as many as 1 million more on the way. Michigan has become one of the hot spots for new coronavirus cases in recent days, marking more than 3,600 and a death toll of 92.